Do room tour of 4232 on the Carnival Miracle. Oh, heavy door. There we go. Here we got 1, 2, 3 closets. Of course, your life vest on the top there. Got some hangers in the first one. Door number 2 has more hangers. Wow, these are really tall. Not made for short people. In this one. And door number 3 has different shelving units. Looks like 1, 2, 3. And the bottom one, which we have some of our waters in there. That was a little loud, sorry. And we got drawer with your hair dryer in it. And then we got 1, 2, 3 extra drawers. Nice little vanity area. And then got your safe in here, which you could use like not just your sale sign card. You could use like a gift card just to make it open for you. And then flat screen TV on top there. Then we got a little refrigerator, which we have a little bit full already with our waters and Powerades. And we got more little shelving areas. 2 different shelves there. And of course we have a queen size bed, a little couch area, and a little table. Of course, 2 nightstands by each of the beds. And to top it off, we have an aft extended balcony. So we got a lounger, and then 2 chairs and a little table. Then of course, we see the beautiful, not this view, but the beautiful wake of the ocean. So that is cabin 4232 on the Carnival Miracle.